This video shows you how to install your Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Let's start inside your home, where you'll install the Pro Power Kit on your existing internal doorbell. The Pro Power Kit ensures that your Ring Video Doorbell Pro receives the power it needs for the best performance. The instructions in this video apply to this version of our Pro Power Kit. If your Pro Power Kit looks like this, the install process is slightly different. Check the included Install the Pro Power Kit user manual for details. The Pro Power Kit is made for use with 16-volt AC doorbell systems, as used in the USA. If you're installing your Ring Pro outside the USA, your install process may be different. Check your Video Doorbell Pro user manual for details. If your home does not have a wired doorbell system, you may want to consider using a Ring Video Doorbell 2, which is powered by a rechargeable battery. However, if you don't have a wired doorbell, but still want the next level features and sleek look of Ring Video Doorbell Pro, you can install a plug-in adapter to supply the power it needs. To order, visit ring.com/accessories. First, shut off the power to your doorbell at the breaker. Then locate your internal doorbell and remove the cover. Look for 2 wires on your internal doorbell. If there are more than 2, look for a wire labeled front and one labeled transformer. Loosen the front and transformer screws using the provided screwdriver, making sure not to detach any connected wires. Then slide the 2 wire connectors from the Pro Power Kit under the 2 screws and retighten them. It doesn't matter which wire you connect to each, as long as both terminals are connected. Finally, mount the Pro Power Kit inside or alongside your internal doorbell using the provided foam adhesive if necessary. If your doorbell is mechanical, like this one, take care to mount the Pro Power Kit in a place where it won't interfere with the bell mechanism. Then place the cover back onto your doorbell. Now let's head outside to install your Ring Video Doorbell Pro. The first thing to do is take off the removable faceplate. If it doesn't slip off easily, hold the device on either end and push through the middle to detach the faceplate. Make sure power to your doorbell is still switched off at the breaker, then remove your existing doorbell. Hold your Ring doorbell in the place you plan to install it, and mark the 2 screw holes at the top and bottom. If you're installing your Ring doorbell on a masonry surface, such as brick or concrete, you'll need to drill holes for the provided anchors. They should simply push into place, but you can hammer them in if necessary. If you're installing on wood or siding, you can skip this step. Now you're ready to connect the wires. Loosen the screws on the back of your Ring doorbell. Then take the wires coming out of your wall and wrap each one around one of the screws. It doesn't matter which wire goes to which screw, as long as both screws are connected. If you have trouble connecting your existing wires, you can use the included wire extenders to give yourself some slack. To do this, first use the included wire nuts to connect the wire extenders to your doorbell wires. Then loosen the screws on the back of your Ring doorbell. Slip one wire extender under each screw and retighten. Finally, feed all the wiring into the hole in your wall until your Video Doorbell Pro can sit flush. Use the Phillips bit on your Ring screwdriver to secure your doorbell to the wall with the provided mounting screws. Next, turn power back on for your doorbell at the breaker. If everything is connected correctly, your doorbell will begin its initial setup process. Once it's finished, your doorbell will introduce itself. Welcome to Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. It may take a while for your Ring doorbell to power up after you first install it, so if it doesn't speak up right away, just give it a few minutes. If the lights show this type of pattern at first, that just means your doorbell is still preparing itself. Once all the lights are lit, it's done. Once it's ready, you can open the Ring app and follow the in-app instructions to complete the setup process. Next, snap the faceplate of your choice onto your Ring doorbell. Finally, insert one of the included security screws into the hole on the bottom and tighten it using the star-shaped end of your Ring screwdriver. Now your Ring Video Doorbell Pro is ready to go. If you need additional help, You can chat with our support team 24/7 at ring.com. With Ring, you're always home.